What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike outlet video. This is the Air Max 2017s. These are pretty infamous. I talk about these in a podcast I did. I may or may not link the podcast. If somebody asks about it, I'll link it. If not, then I won't. This is a pair of 2017s in the triple black colorway. Very special pair of sneakers. If you check on the StockX previous sales on these, I'm going to do a whole other video explaining why these are so special, but maybe check them out. If you like the shoes, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to buy them in the description. I'm going to throw them on foot here and you can let me know what you think. Alright, so on foot they're pretty fire. They look nice with this denim here. It stacks really well. Check out the Amazon affiliate link to buy them in the description. These are pretty comfortable shoes. You guys should definitely check out the link to buy them in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.